If you are a baking lover and always want to have a perfectly baked crisp pizza at home, Pizza Stone is a must-have equipment, as in bakeries fully bricked ovens are used for making perfect pizza. But such ovens are not what everyone can easily have at home. So for this reason, pizza stones can be helpful. A pizza stone helps get the same bakery taste at home. In this video I am going to give you an impartial review when I am covering 5 best pizza stone in the market, which are the best for you. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance or its particular user use, if you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. Number 1. Cast Elegance Pizza Stone. Cast Elegance Thermite Pizza Stone is the best one for use as unlike others, it doesn't leave any odor, keeping food safe. At about 2000 degrees Fahrenheit food is completely safe. It's made of curdierite material formulated to resist any extreme temperature and lasts longer. These are specially designed thermite to absorb all dough moisture, keeping your pizza crispy golden. Magnifying heat for complete professional results, Cast Elegance Pizza Stone is best overall, working in both ovens and on grills. Exactly 5/8" thickness is standard for providing heat to the dough for hours and absorbing moisture. These can be used for both indoor and outdoor cooking. They may get stains, but that is common for any pizza stone and are nearly avoidable. The company recommends cleaning it with a clean towel. If any residue is left, then remove it with the help of the scraper added. Number 2. Lodge Pre-Seasoned Pizza Stone. Lodge Pre-Seasoned Pizza Stone is a type of baking pan with loop handles made up of cast iron. It is about 14 inches in diameter. It is indestructible, so can be treated without the fear of any serious damage. This cast iron pizza stone has a large cooking surface, which makes it perfect for making pizza of your desired flavor and taste at home. It is pre-seasoned with natural and pure vegetable oil, and its surface provides continuous even heat distribution, making your dough bake perfectly and become crispy golden. It can be used on the ordinary kitchen stove, in the oven, over the campfire, or on the grill. You can also get great results with this pizza stone by using it with your induction cooktop. This scraper can also be used for slicing. Number 3. Unicook Heavy Duty Curdierite Pizza Stone. Unicook Heavy Duty Curdierite Pizza Stone is specially designed to resist high thermal temperature. At its budget-friendly price, it works best as compared to many expensive pizza stones. Its fully invisible micropores allow it to absorb most moisture from the dough, giving it a crisp. It helps avoid sogginess, keeping your pizza taste at its best. As compared to metal-made pizza stones, this curdierite material pizza stone distributes heat evenly, allowing the dough to bake properly from each side. You cannot just bake pizza dough, but can also utilize it to make bread and cookies. The stone structure contains micropores that help to kick out the moisture from dough that causes sogginess. It is cleaned with a dough scraper that is included in the package, but make sure to clean the stone when it is in cool condition. Number 4. Emile Henry Flametop Pizza Stone. Emile Henry Flametop Pizza Stone is made using Emile Henry proprietary flame technology and designed of all natural ceramic materials. You can do everything with the dough when it is placed on this pizza stone. After baking, you can cut the pizza right on it because it is absolutely scratch resistant and durable as well. Emile Pizza Stone is totally safe to be used on stoves, ovens, grills, or on charcoal, because it can be used at high temperatures up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit. It is equipped with strong handles for comfortable carriage and easy use. Our product is dishwasher safe, so it is eligible and easy to clean with water or soap. Made using natural and safe materials, durable and scratch resistant, can bear the high temperatures up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Handles for easy use. Number 5. Hans Grill Pizza Stone. Hans Grill is also a curdierite pizza stone that can beat aluminum metal pizza stone in case of durability and reliability. You can use it anywhere, including coal, gas, oven, BBQ, grill, etc. It can bake pizza dough, pastries, cookies, bread, and many more without sticking dough on its surface. The moisture-absorbent surface of the stone ensures crispy and crusty pizza without sogginess. Hans Grill Pizza Stone evenly cooks the pizza dough to turn it crispy, crusty, and taste. It comes with a 1.5 centimeters thickness that is perfect, not much thicker and not much thinner. Get your Hans Grill Curdierite Pizza Stone, start baking pizzas with it, and enjoy a long-lasting use without any disappointment. Durable Curdierite Stone. Moisture-absorbent surface. The balanced thickness of 1.5 centimeters. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price. please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier.